What's going on, guys? Today I wanna clean and condition my leather in 2017 Rubicon Recon. This is gonna be the first time I'm doing this, and in this case I'm gonna use the Chemical Guys leather cleaner and conditioner. So this is the leather cleaner, and I'm gonna use their brush. And this seat has a red stitches, so I don't wanna rub too much on the stitches to make them dirty, so I'm gonna try to do around as much as possible. And I'm gonna spray on the brush, not on the seat. I don't wanna have too much cleaner on the leather, so I'm gonna use on the brush. It's not supposed to be really dirty. This car is fairly new, but here in Los Angeles the sun is really bad. I don't wanna ruin my seats because my car mostly sitting outside. And when you cleaning the leather, you don't have to press really hard. You don't want to ruin your leather. Just gently remove dirt and grime from the top of the leather. And I love the Chemical Guys product. It's really easy to work with. It smells really nice. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the rest of the car, and I'm gonna come back and show you the conditioner. Okay, I did the rest of the car and the wheel. So just a small trick: after you use this brush, rinse it really well and let it air dry. Do not store it in a plastic bag or not ventilated area, because it's gonna ruin your brush. Make sure you clean it after each use and dry it really well before you store it. Okay, and I'm gonna use the leather conditioner, microfiber applicator, and the new microfiber towel. You need to shake conditioner really well to mix all chemicals inside. And you're gonna apply a small amount. make sure you work really well the conditioner all directions, so it's go inside each pore. And just because I don't like the shiny leather, I'm gonna buffer out the extra. This is how your leather will look after this. It's really dry to the touch, not greasy, not shiny, and it's really nice and smooth. Thumbs up. So I'm gonna do the rest of the car, and I really recommend this Chemical Guy leather care kit. You can buy it directly from their website or Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. So have a good day. Please